Hi kids! Today I want to talk to you guys about hexagons. So hexagons are six-sided shapes. So the one you're used to seeing is this yellow one. Yellow shape has six sides. Let's look at it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But every day in life, we see shapes that are shaped like hexagons. So we can see this beehive over here. We see the honeycomb, and all of them are in shapes of a hexagon. If we look at the pencils, at these colored pencils, we see they're not round. They're shaped like hexagons also. They all have 6 sides. If we look at this nut over here, the steel nut, we see, hey, look at the outside. The outside of it is also in the shape of a hexagon. And if we look very closely at the soccer ball, we see that the black has 5 sides, so that's not a hexagon. But if you look at the white inside the ball, you see that the white are hexagons. So that's pretty cool. So I want you guys to keep an eye out and look for objects that you may have in your home that are maybe the shapes of hexagons. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the hexagon unit. So in this picture, it says that we need to find everything in this picture that's shaped like a hexagon. We could draw a circle around it. So I am going to put little happy faces. So I see that this says hexagons and it has 6 sides. So I know that this is a hexagon. Can you guys find any other hexagons? Well, I see there are a few here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this picture, I have a purple hexagon. There's another one here. And look, this girl is holding a hexagon. It also has 6 sides. There's another one here. I'm going to give him a face. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. I think we found all the hexagons here. So let's go on to the next page. Hey, look, these are some of the items I shared with you guys earlier that are also like hexagons. So this shows a red hexagon and they are drawing to make sure it has 6 sides. The honeycomb I showed you guys is also in the shape of a hexagon. This mirror or picture frame and this little nut here. So let's look at number 1. Number 1 through 4 want you guys to find the hexagon in each. So I'll give you guys a couple of seconds to look through them and see which are the hexagons. Okay, so in number 1, I can tell that this is a hexagon because it has how many sides? That's right, it has 6 sides. Okay, let's look at the other ones. Does this have 6 sides? No, yesterday we learned that's a triangle. This doesn't have 6 sides either, and neither does this one. Let's look at the next one. Which one has 6 sides? Does this one have 6 sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not 6. Oh, look, this one looks like it might be. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that's a pentagon. This one has no sides, but this one looks pretty good. Okay, I want you guys to try number 3 and 4. Okay, number 5 wants you guys to find the hexagon in these objects. Did you guys find them all? I counted 1, Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's a hexagon. This one is a hexagon, and there's one more. That's right. And that is all for this video. Thank you.